Welcome to Cook and Vibe! My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. That's Up and Coming Productions. And we are here at Scotches. Now if you don't know what Scotches is, this is just the most authentic jerk chicken. This is the real style. This is the real way of jerk chicken. You get me? Or jerk, anything jerk. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's about here. There's a lot of tourists here. You get me? So we're gonna walk inside here. You get me? It's very busy. At the moment there's bare things going on. Listen me. But right now we're gonna show you our guan. Right? Yeah, we're gonna show you our guan. Show you how the real jerk chicken is made. You get me? It's quite a touristy spot. St Anne's, on the way to Ocho Rios. You get me? There's loads. If you look round, these are all tourist buses. Yeah, so they're all tourist buses. So the buses drop in with all the tourists, then come off the ships and they get their jerk chicken because it's the maddest place. Forward. You don't know, you know what it is?
Yeah man, fully aimed at anyway, badness in it.
I true.
Yeah man.
Yeah, some people. And each time I pull up, you know, somebody recognize me. Yeah, I love that.
Yeah,
I love that.
It
means a lot, you know, for people that recognize me.
Recognize the right now, man. I'm saying, but artist at England.
True. So you see it there, people? Oi.
Yeah man, 10 out badness and I see Jersey. Anyway, there. We are coming for them wicked man.
So we're here. We're gonna get some jerk chicken, maybe some pork, some festival, maybe some yam. We're gonna see what they got inside. But like I say, this is a really good place to go to get the authentic style of jerk. You get me? The way they do it, which you're gonna see in a minute, is a really like authentic style. You know what I'm saying? So, Scotches, man, let's go. Let's get this done. Yes, people, I am so excited for this. My belly's hungry. You get me? Authenticness. That's what we're dealing with today. The authentic style of cooking the jerk. You know what I'm saying? That is what we're doing today. You know, we've done the underground thing, and you've got the information on the maroons, on how, you know, jerk was originally made under the ground. Now this is the next step. So this is like the authentic way of like doing it now, which is probably not everybody does it like this anymore. It's still quite an authentic style. Not everywhere does it like this. So yeah, see what I want. Yeah. All right. So like I was saying to people, it's about the authentic way of cooking. Understand? So if you look behind here, right? If you look under here, like even if you look forward, you see this one. You see where they've got the coal. You can zoom in on them things there. So you see they've got the coal underneath, and then on top, if you can see, there's just wood. Alright, so look, if you look over here, you can see the wood a bit better over here. So you see this wood here, people? That's the pimento wood. You get me? So that is what's giving it a different flavour. It's getting that wood smoke smell into it. Do you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, as you can see, got the pork on top of there. Yeah? With the pimento wood. And the coals just underneath that. And then the coals are not too high. So it's like a slow cook. And then obviously the meat raised with the wood. So obviously if that meat was directly on the grill, then it would cook a lot quicker. But because the coal's quite far down, and then you've got the wood that raises up higher, it's just giving it that slow smoky cook. So the difference is, and the whole like kind of point of this is the smoke. It's that smoke flavour that you're not going to get in a jerk chicken on the roadside just cooked with coal. It's a completely different vibe. You get me? So, yeah man, we're there. The jerk pork there, jerk chicken over there, look. That's all chicken in there. And then you got your pork over there, and they do like roast yam and roast sweet potato. And the hot sauce here is to die for. Telling you, you get me? So yeah man, I think it's time to order some food, Ben, don't you think? Yeah man.
Ahoy, people. Don't forget to press that like button and subscribe. Otherwise, your fingernails will go rusty and crusty and fall off.
They use the zinc to just put that on top now to just hold in that smoke and hold in that flavour. You get me? Yeah, proper things, man. Big up, Cedric. Forecast. That's their word. That's where they chop it. Chopping food there, chop up everything in there. This is where you order. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so you can see the prices here, people. So it's still good, really good prices. Now, 1,000 Jamaican is about a £5–6. Yeah, so you're talking about £6.50 for like a quarter of jerk. You know what I'm saying? And obviously it's quite a touristy place as well. But that's the normal price. That's the normal price everywhere for jerk. So it's really good how they keep the price the same. The total 2.6, and that's waters, rice and large rice and peas, large sweet potato, pork and chicken. So that's about what? 15 quid, £15. Yeah, not even that. Yeah, man. So that's where you order down there. This is where it's cooked. And this is where you collect. And then you can just go and sit down. Chill out. Really nice little places as well, little huts all over. You can go and sit in and chill out. For me, it's not my first time, I tell her that. Yeah, so we got our order. You know what I'm saying? We got some jerk chicken, some jerk pork. You get me? We got some roast sweet potato. We got some rice and peas. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we've got a nice little selection of what they do here. They do like a jerk chicken sausage and a jerk pork sausage. But to be honest with you, it's not really a sausage thing when you're here. Do you know what I mean? It's about the jerk chicken and the jerk pork. That sunlight is blazing on me and the people. Why, we're waiting for our order. Order number 88, but just here 87. So we're supposed to next. And then we're gonna give you the review on how the food tastes. But you've seen how authentic it is. Do you know what I'm saying? And I like to do this episode as well because of the whole jerk chicken episodes we've done, cooking underground and stuff. You know, I feel like we're quite a dedicated jerk people, cook and vibe, Ben. You see me? I feel like, you know what I'm saying, because of the whole jerk chicken we've done underground, the history behind that. You know, we've done jerk chicken back, we've done jerk chicken. So I just want to give you like, we're quite dedicated to jerk, cook and vibe. You know what I'm saying? We do like our jerk chicken, our jerk. So I think this is a really good way of showing you like the authentic, real Jamaican style of cooking after the maroon. So this would be after the maroon times of cooking it under the ground. Now it reached to that, and then obviously it reached to where people just do it in a pan with coal. But yeah, this is really authentic, man. Really looking forward to my food. The smoke just kicking. Yo, the smell, 10/10. Yeah, I tell you that. It's cook and vibe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Make sure you go over to Up and Coming Productions channel. Check out his Instagram and check out his YouTube. You get me? Yeah.
Yo, it's that time of the show. It's the greatest show of all time. Sickers Rate My Plate. M.R. Show them the levels.
Oi, blimey. Aye, lads, get hold of this. Chicken and chips, he said. More like sparrow and chips. I see more meat on a butcher's pencil. The heck? And why are they all bundled on top of each other? And why you got 5 pieces? Who the hell's at the bottom of that pile? If I swung one of them chickens at your head, you'll be dead. Like a baseball bat, you'll be done. If you sunk your teeth into that, you ain't seen your teeth again. It's going to be pulled out your gum. Crispy as heck. What kind of plate's that? Looks like a piece of A4 paper with a flower that my son drew on it. That plate don't even deserve to be rested on that marble top. Don't even get them started on them chips. They've never seen no salt and vinegar on them in their life. They look like they've been out in the sun for 4 hours. Dry as heck. You're blocked. Don't DM me again. Sickers.
Oi, oi. Are we rolling up and coming productions?
We're rolling, mate.
We are rolling. Oi, I'll tell you one thing though. Ben has dealt, see, up and coming productions, he's dealt with Jamaica like a real Jamaican. Bad boy, I tell you. So here we got our food, right? So we got, you see the pork there? Okay? And then we got the chicken there. And if you notice the colour of it, it's like lighter, Ben, do you know what I mean? Like the barbecue is lighter, and that's the smoke. That's what's come from the wood, you know? And then we got our sweet potato, roast sweet potato. We got our rice and peas, and we also got the hot sauce there, you know what I'm saying?
So here we go, people. Had to do a voiceover because there was music running in the background, but yeah, I'm starting off with the jerk chicken, as you can tell by my face. It's serious, people, man. It's on a different level, man. I tell ya, serious things, man. Wow. Trust me, you can see by my face, it's just serious. So, yeah, we're going to go in for the pork next. Yeah, the taste of pork. Serious things. Trust me, serious things. Now, you ain't going to find this in a lot of places. That was the hot sauce there. Yeah, I'll tell you, the hot sauce is 10-10, man. 10-10. We're going to go in for the roast yam now. Like I say, you won't find this everywhere. This place is a really good spot. Scotches. Amazing. You get me? Even that roast yam, it's just got a flavour like from the wood as well. You get me? Going back in for the chicken. I'm not playing no games. I'm not playing no games, people. Really can't tell you enough. You have to go there. You have to go there. Now look, I try the rice and peas. Easy. Rice and peas, good, man. Trust me, everything good in there, people. Trust me. Yeah. This is just a little video to get you warmed up and ready for Jamaica. We're soon going back there, people. We soon reach back to Jamaica. You get me? And we're going to see, yeah, you're going to see bare wicked things, but I can't wait to see it. So, why?
They also got a bar, so you can get a drink. You see me? After you done consume your pork and your chicken.
Yeah.
And you get yourself a juice.
See, I don't know we have the Malfi. Don't know we have the 63% bad.
Oi, behave yourself, brother. Behave yourself with that one there.
That's up.
We just, yes. See it there. So yeah, man, a good vibes, people. And there you go. Oh, I feel humbled. I feel humbled. My belly feels humbled. Yeah, drinking some water, because make sure you drink enough water when you're in Jamaica, people. Don't mash up yourself. One time I never drank no water. My feet puffed out. I couldn't even get my shoes on. So make sure you drink enough water when you're in Jamaica. You understand? Yeah. A good vibes, man. You get me? So you know how the thing work. Big up section. I'll see you soon.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Oi! Welcome to the big up section, people. You wasn't expecting that one today, was ya? Do you know what it was? We've had this actually since last year when we went to Jamaica. I don't know why we haven't got round to doing it, but we are finally done it. So there you go. And just a little warm up, a little reminder of the great content that we're going to be getting soon. About 6 weeks, people. About 6 weeks.
and we fly back to Jamaica. I can't wait. It's going to be wicked. More Ass Kitchen, more Jamaica Food Boss. Bare people we're going to link up. Craziness this time, trust me, people. So this week's big up J-Roll King, J-Roll King of vocals. He says, love the vibes, M. Dot. Love the vibes, big up M. Dot. Respect my bro, big up yourself every single time. That was referring to the peppered steak in a tagine. Jamaican peppered steak cooked in a tagine. Previous episode. No, it's not your previous, the one before last. But yeah, make sure you go check it out, people. And also big up Jackson2341. He says, fan of M.R, local legend, cook and vibe is sick when smoking. Big up yourself, my bro. Big up everyone that's locked into the channel. I appreciate you a lot. If you could possibly press that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, then just press the like button. Press that notification bell. You don't want to miss nothing. We got some crazy episodes coming up for you, people. We soon go back to Jamaica. Wayoi. I'll see you next time.